Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this PC Wild Sea Scallops. These are on sale, believe it or not, and look how small they are. It's only 260 grams, so here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And the ingredients are right here. Here's bacon and the wild sea scallops. That's pretty much it. So let's open this up. Okay, so they are pretty small, as you can see. I'm gonna have to take the skewer out, and then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer actually. So, and it says here conventional oven for about 18 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Here's the scallops all done, and we'll do a quick taste test. They do have a little toothpick with them. Really good actually. The bacon really flavors the scallop, so you don't actually really need much seasoning, I guess. It's actually pretty good. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos and we're gonna subscribe to the channel.